sick, bro. Hey, we've owned this Amapiano vibe, bro. We owned it. Like we snatched it, bro. What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. Today's video, guys. Well, first off, if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. I review Nigerian music. I have album reviews, I have video reactions like this one. So definitely go check out the rest of the content. I also have a main channel where I have my other content, and definitely hit up that link as well and subscribe as well. Today's video, man, this is a banger that we've known very well, far too well, honestly. One of the many attempts of Nigerian artists at adopting the Amapiano wave, the Amapiano sound, and trying to make it our own in some sense. And I think it was Buzzbrain that did the beats, if I'm not sure. Well, yeah, this track "Woman," produced by Buzzbrain, if I'm not mistaken, was an amazing tune the moment it dropped. The song is just a fun record, not to be taken too seriously. He's obviously talking about his obsession with women, and the beat is just so, like, again, on that Amapiano vibe, but you can see the level of depth and detail in the percussion that this guy threw at it to make it a little bit different, to make it more exciting, to bring it back home a little bit. And I really enjoyed it. This time around, we're getting a video for this song. It's been long overdue, man. This is the song that definitely deserves the video. Definitely one of my favorite songs this year, like, so far. And yeah, it's a huge banger, man. I can't wait to get out and check out the video for this one. Without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it. Let's go. Buzzbrain. Wait, what does this look like? Wait, is he in an altar or something? Cause like look at that chandelier. This looks very cinematic, bro. Well, I expect that with Rema, man. I expect that with Rema, low key, man. Have you seen Bad Commando video, bro? Legit one of the best videos of like last year, man. Honestly, I remember who directed that one, but Jones in. Is it praising for the love of woman?
Another banger. I'm in love with plenty women. I know nobody, all of them.
Did this man have, how many rings did this guy have, Joe? Nah, I didn't see those rings. This man these are all wedding bands, bro. This is so jokes. This is hilarious, man. Look at that pictures. Yo, I like this scene, bro. Yo, I love this set, bro. I love this set. This looks wicked. This looks dope as hell, man. Very alter. You see how he actually, like, he quenched some fire, man, with his finger. I was like, sheesh, that's hard, bro. I don't know, man. This looks very cinematic and like a lot of attention to detail, man. I'm here for the visuals. Hey, hey, kilo day, bruh. Okay, this guy is intense in this one, bro. LOL. Wait, it's coming again to pray. Yeah, I knew this video has to be jokes, bro, because the song is very comedic. This is the most comedic. If you listen to the lines, all these pictures, vocal lines and everything is just so satirical, man, that you can't take him serious at all. I can see him goofing out here, man. This is so funny. So he prays for the woman. Okay, I see what it is. My best part. You of course you'd expect a very stacked cast, okay? A very stacked cast. A lot of dancers will show up for a video called Woman. You know what I mean? A lot. Man, black is beautiful, man. We thank God. We thank God. Ozedicos, that's Ozedicos, bro. What's happening here? Okay, this is like a studio. What's it called? Snack beats. Hey, let's go. Hey. Trailer, man. Yeah, that's Boss Brain right there. Hey, bad. Okay, she's using an apple, man. Never trust a lady with an apple. Abacha went down. It's praying again. It's that woman we go kill her. That's what he's trying to say here. That woman we go kill her, bro. Oh, the beat, bro. Me I know they born. Hey, we've owned this Amapiano vibe, bro. We owned it. Like we snatched it, bro. Hey, nah. I need to take that back. I need to prepare myself. I need to prepare myself for that drop. That drop is mad. Let's go. Hey, calm, bro. Calm. This is so calm. Nah, bro. Hello. His favorite sidekick. This teddy bear. this teddy bear may cause trouble. Hey. I too like woman. Me I know they tomorrow. Mad, bro. This is a jam. This is sick. Look at all those pictures, man. Rema is out here, bro. Rema is out here. We've been knowing it. Like, come on, guys. Like, this is standard. This is like, at first, like, there've been instances where videos have not done justice to the song, and we saw that in Lady. I think there was the Lady video that we're kind of like, bro, it could have come harder with the visuals. But I think the fact that a lot of the cinematography of everything, man, seeing how there was a spotlight on him, and like he was in the middle of somewhere with the chandelier, and him coming there to pray, and I'm like, that entire scene, that entire picture deserves to be like some really high budget movie, you know. Like, another thing was the scene where he was in front of the mirror. Like, that visual was dope too. And I see the dancers, man, stacked with beautiful black women, bro. Like, it's just too nice how he knocked it out of the park with this one, man. I love that. Who was the director for this one, Seth? We need to give credit, bro. We need to give credit. Yeah, I don't know who directed it, man. If you guys have any idea who directed it, I'm trying to look for their credits, but there's nowhere to give them credit. But definitely, it was beautifully shot. I really enjoyed this. Rema has a very dope aesthetic when it comes to like having like his teddy bear, and like having just certain things. His hairstyle, he's not too flashy too. He doesn't like go bling and everything. He looks like he's still a kid, but very well looks like age appropriate in that sense. Like, he's still very much in his lane too. Like, yeah, Rema is killing it, man. And this was a solid video. Let me know what you guys think about it. And if this is one of your favorite videos from him, because Bad Commando is still my like peak video, bro. I love Bad Commando video. Let me know what you guys think about this one compared to like Bad Commando, because this one is up there too. I definitely rate it. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I've been your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. If you're new to this channel, again, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers very soon, hopefully by the end of the year. I know we can do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next upload. Peace.